we are headed this time around to North Georgia once again, but this time we're going to go to a park that we've never been to. It's called Vogel State Park, and it is near Blairsville, Georgia. And it's very similar to our last one up there in the North Georgia area. We're going to be visiting our Christy's nieces and nephews, and we'll stop by there, see what they're up to for a night. But Vogel State Park is near this place called Brasstown Bald, and it's they say it's the highest point in Georgia. So everything's good, man. We're just going to take you guys along for the ride and see what we can get ourselves into. A little bit of relaxation. We love the mountains. They're awesome. Oh, we're going for, man, five days at the campground, right?
Yeah.
One stop, 5 days. Boom. There's a couple of waterfalls. There's several waterfalls we want to see. It's a big lake. Might do some kayaking. There's a decent chance of rain every day we're going to be there, but that's pretty typical. It's a rainforest, so they usually get a lot of rain. Yep. There's a Walmart, ain't it?
Oh yeah, we're gonna be at a Walmart, aren't we?
Huh?
We will be at a Walmart. That's where we went last time.
Yeah, I kind of needed a new rain jacket anyway.
See, I bought stuff.
Oh.
Bringing snacks in the car. What's that?
Dead battery.
You kidding me?
No. I know.
What the hell?
Well, we got a dead battery. Got a dead battery. We're gonna, well, we'll call Good Sam's, I guess, is what I just talked about. Here's the deal. We got it started. Trying it a few times, it started. It sounds like it's the battery, even though the battery's barely over a year old. What we're going to do is keep it running, obviously, and carry on, and we're gonna try to find a Walmart Supercenter or something, and get this battery swapped out. Now if I swap out this battery and it's still doing it, then we know we have a starter problem, and well, that'll be a whole other issue. We're back on action here, so that's a good thing. Ooch. All right, we're just gonna carry on, and if it's the starter, it is. You know what I mean? We're getting close to making. Just gonna pull off here, and I'm gonna find out where the closest Walmart is, so I can pick up another battery. So I could just swap the battery out there. Show me the nearest Walmart.
Here are some listings for Walmart Supercenter within 13 miles.
There's one of them there that's 4.7 miles away. All right, Walmart, here we come. Woohoo! Welcome to Macon.
You've arrived.
Thank you. Well, 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 look where we end up having to be.
Won't be the last time.
You ain't lying. There it is. Walmart battery. And you know what? It's, what is it? What did I call it? Evermax?
Everlast.
Everlast. Is it just me?
Everstart.
Everstart? And what did you say?
Never start.
Never start. Well, we got the battery. That's okay. So we need to get the bills, and when I get there, that's when I'll swap out the battery.
Question is, will it ever start?
Yeah, it'll start. Let's not go there.
Well, it's called Everstart.
Look at there. Navigate to 770 Monticello, Georgia.
All right, 7th Monticello. Let's go.
Let's go.
Head north. You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 2:51 p.m.
That's not bad. Before 3 o'clock, eh? We'll take it.
Yeah, we'll have to.
We could still be stuck at, where?
In 600 feet, turn left.
We could still be stuck at the pilot. Yes. I'm still on. Well, for those of you who've never seen Monticello, downtown Monticello, Georgia. That's how they say it here. So that's what we'll do. Can I turn left here? Yeah. Okay.
1897. Wow. That's crazy.
Okay, we are very close. Stay tuned for my next video where we actually arrive at beautiful Vogel State Park with our RV. And this is Gus. Hey Gus, how are you, buddy? Good boy. Yes you are. You're just a good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Yes you are. You're just a hand with the camera, aren't you? Uh-huh.